Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use NaturalReader. First, to get started with NaturalReader, open the official NaturalReader website, which is a powerful AI text-to-speech platform trusted by over 10 million users worldwide. On the homepage, you can scroll down to explore a variety of AI voices, each designed to provide natural, human-like speech output. NaturalReader's AI text-to-speech system allows you to have any type of text read aloud using some of the most advanced and realistic AI voices currently available. With the introduction of the multilingual voices powered by advanced large language models, the platform now delivers clearer, more human-like narration than ever before, making it suitable for professional voiceovers, educational content, and personal use. An exciting feature of NaturalReader is its instant AI voice cloning. This function allows users to recreate virtually any voice with remarkable accuracy, making it possible to personalize audio output or maintaining brand consistency for commercial projects. Users can clone voices in minutes by uploading and recording a short sample of audio, which the system uses to generate a digital replica of the original voice. This technology ensures that voice output maintain a consistent tone, style, and cadence, make them sound natural and professional. On the top right corner of the website, you will find the prominent Get Started button. Click it will give you three main options: personal, commercial, and edu. The personal option allows individuals to listen to their documents or text files in a natural AI voices for personal use. The commercial plan is designed for professional creators who want to produce voiceovers for videos, podcasts, or other media projects. The edu option provides group plans suitable for classrooms or educational teams, offering shared access and collaborative tools. If your goal is a professional use, click on the commercial option to proceed. Once you select your plan, you will be prompted to choose your preferred language from a comprehensive list of supported languages. After selecting the language, you can borrow and select the AI voice you wish to use. Each voice comes with a small preview button allowing you to listen before making your final selection. Once you have chosen the voice, click Next to continue. On the next screen, you will notice several reloaded text items. At the top of this section, there is a tick box that you can select to manage your text items. To start fresh, click the bin icon to delete all existing text. You can now enter your own text into the provided field. After entering the text, click the play icon to hear it converted into speech. You can also adjust the speed of the narration using the speed icon, increasing or decreasing the pace according to your preferences. After adjusting, press the play button again to preview the new speed. This process can be repeated for any number of text inputs, making it easy to generate multiple audio clips efficiently. On the right side of the interface, you will see an arrow icon. Now click on Allow to download the generated voice after upgrading your account. Upgrading to the paid versions unlocks several limitations present in the free version. For example, in the free tier, exporting audio files is disabled. You cannot insert more than 20 text items at a time, and there is a daily TTS limit of 5,000 characters. Paid upgrades also unlock access to advanced tools such as the AI script generator and AI assistant and allow you to reactivate expired clone voices. In the top left corner of the platform, there is a My Voices option. Clicking it will display all the pinned, previously used, and clone voices you have created. To clone a new voice, click the Clone Voice button. You will need to log in or sign up to continue. If you already have an account, select Login and enter your email address. New users can register by selecting Register and then continue by signing in via Google for quicker access. After logging in, you will be promoted to allow Google to access your information. Click Continue to proceed. To clone a voice, click on the cloning button and agree to the platform's terms. You will then be promoted to upload or record an audio sample. For best results, it is recommended that audio samples be only 1 to 2 minutes in length, contain a single speaker, maintain a consistent tone and volume, and have minimal background noise or music. Then click on Upload Audio, look at your audio file, select it, and click Open. The system will take a few minutes to process and upload your file. Once uploaded, you can play the audio to confirm it is correctly recognized. After that, select Next Step, enter a name for the cloned voice with an optional description, and then click Start Cloning. The system will generate your new voice, which will appear in your library after the process is complete. Once your voice is created, go to the library on the left panel. Here, you will see your projects. Then click on the first project to access the full suite of options. By selecting all others, you can access the pronunciation editor, settings, audio samples, and helpful FAQs. In the pronunciation editor, you can create or import pronunciation lists by clicking Import File. Now select the JSON file containing your custom pronunciations, then click OK to upload. These features ensures your AI voice pronounces names, technical terms, or uncommon words accurately. On the bottom left side, you will see the Upgrade button. Click it will show you the plan options for commercial and public use. Paid plans include a commercial license for audio distribution, providing access to over 250 AI voices in more than 40 languages. The yearly plan is billed annually at $58 per year, with an additional $10 per month per extra users. For a single user, the monthly cost is $49. The yearly small business plan offers 50% off for entities with 20 or fewer employees and is available only under the single license yearly plan. The monthly plan charges $35 per extra user, with the first user experienced at $24.50 per month or $99 per month for standard billing. Limitations of the platform include a monthly credit allocations of 6 million T credits per user. AI voices consume 1 credit per character, whereas LLM voices, including cloned and multilingual voices, use 20 credits per character. Each single user subscription allows up to 5 cloned voices, which team subscriptions are capped at a total of 5 cloned voice per team. Key feature of NaturalReader's platform include a commercial license for audio distribution, access to 225 AI voices in over 40 languages, a ChatGPT-powered AI script assistant, LLM voice cloning, multilingual LLM voices, and emotional AI voices that can convey tone and mood. Advanced tools also include a pronunciation editor, enabling precise adjustments to any text and the ability to adjust tones and emphases for professional quality audio narration. In summary, NaturalReader is a versatile, highly advanced AI text-to-speech platform that caters to both personal and professional uses. Its powerful voice cloning, multilingual capabilities, and extensive library of AI voices make it suitable for content creators, educators, businesses, and anyone who wants natural, human-like AI narration. With option for commercial audio distribution, custom pronunciation editing, emotional tones, and seamless integration with workflow tools, it is a complete solution for generating professional, high-quality speech from text. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.